Hello guys, you smartphone Tecno Spark Go 2022 year version. Open box, look compactation. We have device, double camera, fingerprint scanner and LED on the front side. Display 6.5-inch, power key, warm keys, slot for 2 SIM card and micro SD card for memory, downside micro USB port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. Look, settings, system, about phone. We have HD display, Android 11, 5000 mAh, Helio A22 CPU, okay, 2 GB RAM memory and ROM memory 32 GB. Look results, Geekbench, Geekbench results, look, single core score and multi-core score, close this, and look into the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark results, okay, close this. Run the money game GTA San Andreas, look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Resume game. Game works perfect, without lags and glitches. On the medium graphic level. Okay, good, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.